P. Jain, English and PD trainer at British Institute. So today we are going to do one activity, word stealing activity. In this activity, first of all, I'll tell you what we have to do in this activity, word stealing activity. In this activity, for example, there are 5 members in a group. So one student will start speaking, and from his speech, next student will pick one word and he will start speaking on that. Now he is speaking, second student. Now third student will pick one word from his speech and he will start speaking, and so on. So now there are three groups, and they guys are going to start. They have started that activity and we are going to look that activity. Okay, so this is group number 1 and they are doing that activity. These guys are doing that activity. Okay, so hold it. Okay, you guys carry on.
Okay, so childs are is the play a role of a god because
God. I think as we know that all the God, I think as we know that God is like that our environment, and God is we can say that God is our soil, and God is a pure soul of the Indian country. And the most of the people are not believe on the God is exist in the world or not. So I think in my opinion God is exist. God is not nothing but God is a positive energy of our environment. So whenever most of the people are feeling that positive energy,
positive energy is very important in our life because if we want to do anything in our life, we have that positive energy which direct our path, and God is providing that positive energy in our life, and that positive energy comes from good thoughts, and there are many sources of good thoughts, like many good books, like many motivational videos which gives us positive
Now next
energy.
person, like 1 2 3, you guys are not picking, so you also have to pick one word. Like she was speaking, Muskan was speaking, so Rohan picked one word. So you guys one by one, anyone, like randomly anyone can pick word, and you guys can start speaking.
Thought is very important, and learn new things, and you come to coaching to start the thoughts and new learning and
Learning. Okay, so she
learning
picked
is
one word, learning.
Learning is very important for every person because every person learn something new, then like different types of ideas they grow our everything. Learning is very helpful for every person, then they make a rich person, then sometimes every person learn about something new, then new types of topics, etc.
Okay, thank you. So you guys carry on. So let's move to the next group. Okay, so here we have a next group and the guys are speaking. So you guys carry on and hold that mic, and you guys carry on. You guys can.
Some are finding a different kind of thing, but what they're finding they also don't know. You want a job but you are not getting a job. You are getting another kind of opportunity.
So nowadays youth are just struggling just because of job purpose, because technology is going on. So technology.
okay. Technology is day to day. Technology is very improve in our country. So technology is helped in increased in our country. So technology is our people's technology field is gone. Should be gone because technology.
Major point in our life. If you have a great quality and great personality, so you will be get a great people.
Personality. So personality. Nowadays many people are just showing their personality, but according to me, just because of purpose of personality, they have to focus on their knowledge section also, because youth are just moving on.
Focus. So focus. We are doing any work. So we are doing any work. So focus is very important. Without we doing a work, but we are not focused.
So focus. So this work is not complete.
Sorry to interrupt. The focus is a verb, so we don't focus, we should focus. We are focus, वो गलत हो जाएगा. We focus, we should focus, we don't focus, but we should focus. तो focus verb है, तो verb की first form से बनेगा ये, है ना. So that kind of mistakes that can be considered because you guys are in learning mode. Okay, so let's move to the next group. So this is the third group, and you guys carry on and keep it close to the
Stress. Nowadays stress many people are passing through the stress, like
So basically in college life we got grew our personality. It's not for the study. We personalize our personality. We grow to ourself, so that all under in the college life. All in apart from the college life, we improve our skills. We learn the real life.
Hello?
We learn the real life challenges.
Skills is very important for everybody.
word बताना ना कि which word you
Okay. Skill is very important for everybody's life, and by creativity and by art.
Creativity nowadays, many people have a different types of creativity. If I give you some example, my friend name is Kunal, who have a creativity in arts. They make paper. They have a good creativity in paperwork. They have a good creativity in painting. So nowadays
Friend is very important than all human. Then friends are different type friend, bookworm friends, then funny friends, and
crazy friend. There are so many types of friend. Like we in our life, without friendship we can't live, because we not entertain to
Yes,
others.
you guys carry on. You guys carry on. So you have gone through and you watched them. They did this activity and they are doing this activity, word stealing activity. So they have to pick one word. So one is speaking, and next person who is standing beside that person, he will pick one word and he will start speaking, and so on. And you have to emphasize that word, which word you chose. Okay, so this is the activity. So if you also want to do such kind of activities, if you want to learn English, so kindly you should join British Institute. And we have 4 branches: Bhawarpur, Vijayanagar, Kalani and Bengali Square. Right now we are at Kalani. And you also want to learn English, PD, communication skill, group discussion, interview skill, and any kind of so you should join British Institute, because it's a very crucial, like if you talk about spoken English, plays a very crucial in this era. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel, Arpit Jain, English and PD trainer. Thank you guys, thank you so much.